Hey, our next hands-on Diedricksen Brothers treehouse and tiny house building workshops, both in May in Seattle and in Boston. RelaxShacks.com for more details.
Watch your step, man. So many houses out here. Nothing. They are guarded, though, heavily by a dog and an individual or two, so be warned. Here it is. Again, it's probably too cold for rattlesnakes, but let's watch our footing. Let's de-zoom here. There's these caves built on the side of the hill that when the snow got bad, people used to use. This one was the magazine for storing dynamite ammunition for mining and such. But I guess in Oregon, New Mexico, when someone got out of control, this doubled as the town jail. Here's the steel door, it's been busted open. You got a light in here, dude? You got your cell phone, a light in here? Oh man, somebody pried this door off. Oh, this is cool. And that's the last they saw of the Diedricksen brothers. Dude, it's unfortunate that guy didn't want to be on camera. He was like a wealth of knowledge. So that building that you've been seeing, that compound, I guess the town at one point in time had 5 brothels and 7 bars, or was the other way around? Yeah. Crazy. I'm gonna go down further, shine your light down there, see if we can get it. Goes down the corner a little more. Yeah, just look out for rattlesnakes, man. This would be, if I had a piece of property this, I would like outfit it. World's coolest Airbnb rental, creepiest. Probably nice and cool here. It's all like sticks and stuff, like something was nesting in here.
Yeah, it could be like a coyote.
A coyote or like a mountain lion. Let's not find out. Just chiseled out these rocks. Not a jail. There wouldn't be much light in here except for this. If you were locked up in here when they used it as a jail. Wow, that's cool. And now it says up the hill more. There's a place where they used to hide out when the weather got bad to sleep in. This is, early pioneering mining days. See if we can find that.